Welcome back. The word today is beautiful. In Thai is สวย สวย. It's a rising tone. สวย. Like you're saying, huh? Huh? Yeah, สวย means beautiful. Okay? You can compliment someone. Say, คุณสวยมาก means you are very beautiful. คุณสวยมาก you are very beautiful. You could say will mean view, ocean view or mountain view or whatever view in front of you. View สวยมาก means beautiful view here. I love it. I love traveling. I love seeing all this stuff. View สวยมาก Okay? If you want to compliment someone, you can say ชุดคุณสวยมาก means whatever you're wearing right there, just most beautiful dress. Okay? ชุดคุณสวยมาก beautiful dress or whatever they're wearing, it's as a set. ชุด means a set, shirt and pants, shirt and skirt, blouse and whatever dress, ชุดคุณสวยมาก means beautiful dress. Okay? ผมสวยมาก means beautiful hair.ผมคุณสวยมาก you have beautiful hair. Okay? Whatever ... สวย Okay? Beautiful car would be รถสวย beautiful house. บ้านสวย beautiful dog. หมาสวย beautiful cat. แมวสวย See how easy that is? Come on, man. God. Now, next one. Now, this one, you're going to see this one a lot in Thai. They call it ร้านเสริมสวย means a beauty salon. ร้านเสริมสวย Thai girls and Thai ladies going to say, I'm going to go to ร้านเสริมสวย means beauty salon. Okay? That's a word for it. But anyway, the word is สวย. Practice saying that. สวย. And whatever it is that you want to compliment someone on or something on, just put in front of the word สวย. Okay? And you got it. All right? Just say a beautiful bird. นกสวย. Okay? All right. Very easy. Let's just keep it short. My name is Bodo, and if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.